85 लगा दो. I'll take his close-ups first. We were praying कि आज बारिश ना हो, but it's so humid today. Ready कर दो बस आप, मुझे ये वहाँ चाहिए. बारिश. Quickly, equipments अंदर. तेरा कैमरा कहाँ है? अंदर. The hell यार. I wish we had half an hour more. We are here today at a very beautiful venue called Heritage Village Manesar to shoot Jasmeet and Ganesh wedding. And today I am going to show you how we capture the bride and groom solo portraits and then bring them together for editorial style couple shots.
We're done! Chop guys, very late. We're done.
Trust me, if the daylight will be gone, we'll not be able to click those shots.
I'm ready.
I am just quickly going to do Ganesh shoot. So our groom is right here. What's up? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good. कैसा चल?
Great.
मेरा कैमरा दे दो यार फटाफट. For this wedding, I challenged myself to rely mainly on the newly launched Canon RF 85mm VCM f1.4. And the best part is that we are going to show you the results of both photos and videos captured with this lens today. Oh God. This wedding was a rare one where the groom actually called us early. And the best part, he's a professional print model. So posing, no problem at all. इतनी सारे lenses पड़े अपने पास VCM series के 24, 20, 50, 85, 35 यही exchange करी जा रहा है मुझसे. We got some beautiful portraits of groom before even heading to the bride. With the 85mm, every detail was sharp and powerful. When is Jasmeet getting ready? पूछो एक बार यार. The bride had told me she wanted some really nice editorial portraits, so we carried full setup straight from our studio.
बारिश आने वाली.
चलो guys, बारिश आ सकती है. Quickly. Oh यार, what the That's the life of a photographer. And then the twist. Just as we were ready for the big editorial shoot, the wind picked up, clouds turned dark, and within minutes, it started pouring. One moment we were setting up the lights, the very next moment we were rushing to pack everything, running with stands, covering cameras, saving whatever we could. Let's try doing some editorial shots here. As soon as the rain calmed, we quickly utilized bride's room to take some indoor portraits, and then we took her out, as it's always important to use the property because it gives the whole wedding that sense of destination. So we are very short on time. We have daylight for another 15-20 minutes and we'll try कि हमारा couple shoot भी हो जाए. God has a different plan and we will go with that plan now. Let's utilize some other backdrop. So you know, since it's 85mm, so आपको depth बहुत अच्छी मिलती है, and plus if you shoot on 1.6, 1.8, when you have low light and you still want to shoot like it's a daylight, then it's a great lens to shoot, guys. Bas, that's it, perfect. We are taking videos, photos simultaneously, so that's why we are working on continuous light. I'm shooting with 85, but it'll be very difficult for people to believe on this that I'm getting this wide also, and then I'm getting this close also. You know, the light was fading fast, but that 1.4 aperture and 85mm lens not only saved the portraits, but it also gave us a glow that I had never seen before. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's put the continuous light. हम थोड़े से bridesmaids के भी shot ले लेते हैं क्योंकि फिर उनको बारात में जाना है तो they have to rush. You know, after all that happened, it was time to focus on the people around Jasmeet. The bridesmaids, full of laughter, and her mother holding her close. You know, those moments, you just know that this will stay with the bride forever. And we are done. You know, this wedding actually reminded me why I love what I do. Weddings will never go exactly as planned. They are messy, emotional, unpredictable, but that's exactly what makes them beautiful. And honestly, this wedding will always stay close to me. Not because it was a perfect, but because it wasn't. And yet, together, we still created magic.